So I'm back with some reaction videos. This is gonna be something like another like series, and I'm gonna be reacting to songs, request reaction, and trailer. So we're gonna start out with the trailers first, and yeah, let's get to it. Man, I started out going hard. What that is? What comes up out of the cornfield?
So Harlow is a ghost town.
We have a vision for this place. All it needs is young blood.
I don't want to live here. This is a chance for people to start fresh somewhere. Somewhere safe. Hey guys, you should see this.
What are you doing in our house?
What are you doing? I like how she said it. What are you doing in our house?
What are you doing in our house?
That country.
We really shouldn't be here. Oh my God.
Man. Badass melody.
This is Hardesty.
Ellie, I'm afraid your old friend's back.
50 years I've been waiting for this night.
Yeah, she doing like they doing Michael Myers going to hunt him, man.
Leatherface.
Covering his blood.
Looks like it's you that he wants.
Yeah, the damn mask. Oh, that shit sick.
Fear no evil. Fear no evil.
He cutting the fuck up.
Try anything and you're canceled, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Damn. They on that just sitting on the box. Ain't no way. That's why every time I go somewhere, you gotta carry some form of protection. Whether it's a gun, knife, pepper spray, some form of protection. But yeah, if you like that reaction, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and we out to the next video.